Hi, I'm Michelle from MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we're looking at the Spa Luxe Deluxe Stationary Massage Table. Let's get started. First of all, this table is 72 inches long and 30 inches wide, and the removable and adjustable arms here. This table comes with this Comfort Soft Touch upholstery and a 3.5-inch multi-layer foam system. It is so plush, it's amazing. The table has these beautiful rounded corners with the hand stitching on each of them. It is gorgeous. And this material is just super soft to the touch. It's really a nice little piece of added luxury. This table has a 4-section top with pneumatic assist. The backrest can be moved from an incline all the way to a lying down position with this little lever on the back. The same with the footrest over here. There's a nice little lever where if you just push down here, it goes into a flat lying down position. This table is made of this European beechwood, which is a super strong wood. And it also has this nice open shelf underneath, so you can put hot towel cabbies, towels. It's a great space saver in any treatment room. So these armrests are removable. You simply go ahead and just shimmy that out like this. So we can have it in a laying down position as well with if you're gonna have your patient lying down or your client lying down, you also have this option. So that's why this table is so great. You have the uprighted spa table look to it, but you can also have the massage table look to it with the face cradle and the arm shelf hanging here. So we have the headrest, the neck roll, the adjustable face cradle here, and the arm shelf. If you have any other questions about this product or anything else, please reach out to us on our website or give us a call. Thanks.